Good afternoon, students. Today's topic is liquid states. Most of the substances exist in liquid state at room temperature. Examples: water and chloroform. In this liquid state, we will discuss about general characters of liquid, method of preparation. General characters includes vapor pressure, boiling point, liquefaction, surface tension and viscosity. Next one, coming to the general characters of liquids. Liquids are having general mass. They acquires the shape of the container which can be placed. Liquids are having definite volume. Compressibility is almost negligible. Easily flowable. There are less rigid, and in this liquid state molecules are slide on each other. There are less closely packed. The spaces in between particles can be having interparticle attractions are weaker when compared to solids, and interparticle attractions are higher when compared to the gases. These are the general characters of liquids. When coming to preparations involved in preparations for liquids, there are two type of methods used for preparation of a liquids. First one is compression of gases and second one is heating of solids. In compression of gases, when gas is compressed into liquids, in this process appreciable interactions between molecules in the gaseous state can be achieved by bringing them together by application of pressure. Examples: liquefied petroleum gases, liquefied oxygen, liquefied carbon dioxide. These gases are stored in a metallic cylinder. Due to high pressure exerted by the gases, once the pressure can be released, the liquids can be becomes into gases. Examples: sprays, medicated aerosols. Examples. Next, second process for preparation of liquids is heating of a solids. In this process, solid can be heated into high temperature. It will convert it into liquids. In this process, molecules are present in a ordered manner and exhibits restricted movement. When the solids are heated, molecules acquires sufficient energy to disturb the ordered arrangement of lattice and passes into liquid form. This process is called as melting. These are two type of methods used for preparation of a liquids. Next one, characters: density, viscosity, surface tension, dielectric constants, dipole moment, optical activity, solubility parameter and refractive index are the general characters of a liquids. Next one, vapor pressure. When a liquid is placed in a closed container, molecules in the liquid state are random motion because they process certain amount of energy having kinetic energy. These molecules are escaped from the surface of the liquids entered into air. This process is called as vaporization. In this process, there is another process involved. The rate of vapor molecules again converted into return to the surface of the water. This process is condensation. At equilibrium, the rate of evaporation of vapor phase is equal to the rate of condensation of vapor phase equals. At this time, the molecules escaped into vapor state return to the liquids. This process is condensation. When the rate of evaporation is equal to the rate of condensation at a definite temperature, vapor becomes saturated. This is called as dynamic phase equilibrium. This process is explained in figure 3, and this state rate of evaporation is equal to rate of condensation. So vapor pressure is defined as a pressure existed by the vapor which is equilibrium with the liquids. Next one, vapor pressure is defined as pressure existed by the vapor which is equilibrium with the liquids. Vapor pressure can be determined by using two type of methods, barometric method and isotelescopic methods. Next one, heat of vaporization and critical temperature. The heat of vaporization can be explained by using Clapeyron equation is equal to log P2 by P1 is equal to delta HV into capital T2 minus T1 by 2.303 into T1 T2, where above equation P1 is the vapor pressure at absolute temperature in kilopascals. P1 means vapor pressure at absolute temperature T1 in kilopascals. Delta HV means molar heat of vaporization. It is the heat absorbed by the 1 mole of liquid when it is passed into vapor state. R means ideal gas constant, kilojoules per kilomoles into kelvins. Heat of vaporization varies sometimes with temperature. Heat of vaporization water is 539 calories per gram at 100 degrees centigrade. It is 478 degrees centigrade, 478 calories per gram at 180 degrees centigrade. By increasing the temperature, heat of vaporization can be decreases. This equation is used for determining the heat of vaporization. Next one, these heat of gaseous vapor pressure is used for determination of and design and applications of aerosol manufacturing process. It is also used in distillation process. Distillation is a process of converting a liquid into vapors. Again, these vapors are converted into liquids. This process is distillation. The vapor pressure play important role in distillation process. Next one, selection of experimental conditions suitable for freeze drying and also evaporation of concentrated drugs and extract of drugs from the solvents. Next one, boiling point. The boiling point of the substance is the temperature at which the vapor pressure of a liquid is equal to the pressure surrounding the liquid and liquid changes into vapors. The boiling point of the liquid varies depending on the surrounding environmental pressure. By observing the following diagram, vapor pressure, in which process in vapor pressure rate of evaporation is equal to the rate of condensation. At this process, these gases exert some pressure. This is called as vapor pressure. When coming to the boiling point, the pressure existed by the gas which is equal to atmospheric pressure at particular temperature. The temperature is called as boiling point. It means at this state vapor pressure existed by the gas is equal to atmospheric pressure. Boiling point is defined as a temperature at which vapor pressure of the liquid is equal to atmospheric pressure. Next one, liquefaction. Liquefaction of a gas is a process by which in the gaseous state is converted into liquid state. When pressure on a gas is increased, molecules are come close together and its temperature can be reduced, which remove the enough energy to make it from gases to the liquid state. When gas is cooled to the some temperature, in this process molecules kinetic energy can be losses. The velocity of molecules can be decreases. In this state, pressure can be applied. Molecules are brought within the sphere and it means come together by van der Waals forces. It will converted into liquid state. In this process, when gas is converted into liquids. This process can be understood by using three conditions. Critical conditions. Liquefaction process means change of gases into liquid state at low temperature and high pressure. Next one, critical temperature and critical pressure. There are two important properties of gases are important in development of their liquefaction. There are critical temperature and critical pressure. Critical temperature is defined as the temperature above the liquid can no longer exist as a liquid. It means the temperature above the critical temperature, liquid cannot exist as a liquid in state. Next one, critical pressure. It is the minimum pressure required to liquefy the gas at critical temperature is called as critical pressure. Next one, examples: ammonia, chlorine and sulfur dioxide and carbon dioxide having high critical temperature, which are having high critical temperature. Application of suitable pressure is sufficient to cause liquefaction. It means easily converted into liquids. Another type of example: hydrogen, oxygen and nitrogen, helium having very low critical temperature. There cannot be liquefied by simple techniques. By cooling this gas below its critical temperature and then compressing can liquefy a gas. Next one, viscosity. Before knowing the viscosity, you will observe the following diagram. It will contain three type of components of liquids. First one is water, olive oil and honey. By observing the following diagram, water is easily flow when compared. Next one is olive oil. When compared to water, olive oil is slowly flow. When compared is honey, honey is slowly moved from the containers. By observing the following diagram, you will observe water is easily flowing and compared to olive oil and honey. Honey is having slowly moved. So viscosity is the resistance to flow of a liquids. In this process, honey is having high viscosity, the water is having low viscosity. So viscosity is defined as is a measure of a fluid resistance to the flow. Units for viscosity in SI systems. Dynamic viscosity is the Newton second per square meter, ns by meter square, also frequently expressed in the equivalent forms Pascal per second (PAS) and kilogram per meter per second (kgm inverse and S inverse). In CGS systems, unit is poise. It can be expressed in P or gram per centimeter inverse and S inverse is equal to 0.1 pascals. Next one, surface tension. Surface tension is defined as the force in newtons acting on the surface of the liquids at right angles to the any line of 1 meter length of the surface. This is called as surface tension. Units for surface tension. In SI systems, units are newtons per meter or N by M. In CGS system, Dyn per centimeter. Next one, applications of liquid state. There are different types of applications involved in liquid state. There are used as a solvents, there are used as a drugs, there are used as a liquefied gases. When water, glycerin, ethyl alcohol, chloroform, petroleum ether is used as a vehicles in type of dosage forms like elixir, syrups and injections. Some type of liquids are also act as a solvents for extraction of drugs from the dosage forms and crude drugs. Examples: some type of liquids are used as a drugs. Clove oil, chlorhexidine gluconate is act as a antiseptic liquids. Oleoresins and methyl salicylate is act as a counter irritant. Liquid paraffin is used as a purgative. Peppermint oil and orange oil is used as a flavoring agent. Next one, liquefied gases. Carbon dioxide is used as a carbonated beverages in drinks. Fluorochlorhydrocarbons is used in propellants in aerosols. Most of the propellants are having fluorochlorhydrocarbons. Next one, hydrocarbons is used as a refrigerants in refrigerators. Petroleum gas is used as a fuel in the form of liquefied gases. These are the applications of liquid states in household and pharmaceutical field. Thank you.